let's talk about tools. This is a spatula, that's the trowel. These are the two main tools I'm going to be using. For the very last coat, I'm going to be using a plastic trowel. These are your standard spatula size. That's the spatula I use in between door frames and PowerPoints. And these corner trowel to compress the product on the external corners. Sander machine. We're going to be using a mixer, a pad. Make sure the pad is round and there's no sharp edges. Vacuum cleaner, if you can get one that attaches into the sander, a lot better. Some buckets with brushes and rollers. Tape, plastic. Use of a mask is recommended when mixing product A with product B.